Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have a Nadine West bag to share with you. If you remember, my bags started up again 2 months ago. My first bag coming back was okay. I think I only kept one bracelet from that bag. My second bag was a little bit better. This bag I am not sure about. I did take everything out. I did not try anything on, but I wanted to take it out so we could just go through the items and then we'll try everything on. I got 4 pieces of jewelry in this bag, so I thought we'd go through that first. So the first bracelet that I got, it's kind of a gold chain link bracelet, and at the end it's got a pendant or a charm, and it says, what does it say? Forever with you. So I like the style of the bracelet. I just don't know about the charm. I don't know. It's easy to get on and off by yourself, or I'm gonna prove myself wrong by saying that, right? Yep, because I'm struggling. Okay, here we go. So it's pretty. But I think I'm gonna send this one back. Let me tell you the price on this. This one is $12.19, so not bad. All right, let's look at the next one. I'm not gonna take this one off of the packaging because I know I'm not gonna keep this one, so I'm gonna keep it just looking like it is. It's really pretty though. I like the turquoise colors. It's a very summery bracelet. And it's a turquoise bracelet. The price on this is $11.99. They're calling these lava beads, and I think that's a good name for them because the texture kind of matches the name. So I do like the texture. Really fun, really unique, but I'm not gonna keep this because I don't know how much I'd pull for this even next summer. So I'm gonna send this one back. And then the next necklace I got is by Marin Elena. Let me just tell you the price of this one. This is $19.99. So it's got a gold chain, and then the pendant is a circle with that's dark blue in the middle too, if you can see that. It's kind of coming across as black, but it's dark blue. There we go. So I'll try this on. I don't think I'm gonna keep this one either, but I will try this one on for you. And then the last piece of jewelry that I got, I really like this one. This is a double chain style. I'm just trying to find the price. $19.99. So it's really pretty. I like that a lot. I actually think it might be 2 separate necklaces. I'm not positive because it's got 2 separate like clasps, but we'll find out when I try things on. And then the first piece of clothing I have, these are a pair, I think they're jeggings. They are by, I think Elite, I think. I don't know. I'll tell you when I try them on. They're a burgundy color. They almost look like they're going to be crop length, but we'll see. They feel really nice. They feel really soft. And then the next thing is a scarf. And this is by Kimberly C. So it's really pretty. It's kind of spring-like. So I don't know if I'm going to keep this one, but I do like the colors of this, and the pattern is very pretty. And then next I have, this is by Hippie Chick. I love the color of this top. It's a cold shoulder. It's like a teal. And then it's cinched in at the waist on both sides. I'm not sure if you could see that. There you go. So it's like that on both sides. And then my last clothing item is also by Hippie Chick. I can tell you right now, I don't like the fabric. So the style of this top is cute. It's a black top. It's got the cutout detail on the top, which I think is so pretty. It's got a band at the waist, like an elastic band, but the material is so heavy. It almost reminds me of like a leotard material, and I know I'm not gonna like that, but you know what? You never know until you try it on, right? So let's go try everything on. I'll be right back and go through everything. Okay, first top, this is by Hippie Chick. They are calling this the Georgia top in green for $25.99. It's in an extra large. It is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. I did throw it on with this necklace. I love this necklace. Let me just tell you that this necklace is 2 separate necklaces, so you could wear it just alone, like one chain alone, or you can wear them together as a layered look. And I personally like the layered look, so I am gonna keep this necklace. I really do like it. The top, I don't think I'm going to keep. It is a cold shoulder style top. It's a little snug. I don't know. I am not over the cold shoulder look yet. I do still like that look, but I just don't care for this one on me. Here's the back. Yeah, it's just too clingy, so I think this one's gonna go back, but I'm gonna keep the necklace. I really, really like this necklace, so I'm happy with this. This will be good with cardigans and with sweaters for the fall. All right, let me change. Oh, no, I'm not gonna change yet. Let me show you the scarf. So the scarf, I think it was by Kimberly C. Yes, and they're calling this the Layla scarf. It's $16.99. So I'm not really good with scarves and how to, oh, it's one of those infinity scarves, I think. Yeah. Let me just see if I could do this really quick. It's like 85 degrees here today. Yeah, it's hot. We don't usually have this warm of weather this time of year, so it actually feels good. But anyway, here's the scarf. What do you think? It's cute, but I don't think I'd pull for it, and it's actually more of like a spring scarf anyway. I don't know, you could wear it in the winter though too. It's pretty, so if you like scarves, then you might want to check this one out because this one's really pretty. All right, I'm gonna change and I will be right back. Okay, just kidding, really quick, I wanted to show you this necklace on before I changed. So this was that Marin Elena necklace, the one that was $19.99. Well, they're both $19.99, but this is the one with the dark blue circle. I wanted to just show you the length of the chain and how it would fall if you do like this style necklace. I am gonna send this one back. It's just not really something that I don't think I'd wear, but I did want to show you it. So here's the necklace. All right, now I'm really gonna go change, so I'll be right back. Okay, let's talk about the top first. So this top is also by Hippie Chick, and this is, they're calling this the Ada top in black, $26.99, 95% polyester and 5% spandex. This is a heavy top. I do not care for this top. Extra large. So let me back up so you can see it. I just don't care for the style for me. It's not a Kayla top. I won't pull for it. I think it would look cute on the right person. So it's got the cutout details on the neckline, which is not bad. Maybe if it was a different material, I'd be more into this top. I think the material is just driving me crazy. I just can't wait to take it off because it's just so warm. It's very heavy. But it kind of like flares out a little bit here at the bottom. Here's the back. Yeah, I just won't pull for this, so this is gonna go back. I'm gonna turn the camera down and we'll talk about the bottom. So hang on 1 second. Okay, so before I back up, I'm just gonna tell you what the pants are. They are the Midnight Capris, they're calling them, in burgundy, $28.99. I don't care for these either. I just don't care for the length for me. They just kind of hit me at a weird length. The color is okay. They are a pull-on pant. I don't know. I'm just not feeling it. But let me know what you think. All right, I'm gonna change and we will do a recap. Okay, what'd we think? I'm not really feeling this bag this month. What do you think? Can you tell I'm not really feeling it? So this Hippie Chick shirt, I love the color of this and I kind of like the style, but I'm gonna send this one back. I think it was a little too snug and I just wasn't really feeling it. So I think this one's gonna go back. I'm also going to send back the scarf, but if you are a scarf person, this is really pretty. I do like the colors. I love the patterns. So if you like scarves, maybe check this one out. And then this top by Hippie Chick, I am gonna send back too. Yeah, the material just drove me crazy. It is so thick and yeah, I won't pull for it, but I do like the style of it. I like the cutout detail on the top. And then I'm not crazy about the pants. They just didn't really look great on me. So I do like the color. They do feel soft. They were comfortable, but they're gonna go back because I just wasn't crazy about how they looked on me. And the ankle, the way they hit me at the ankle was just kind of strange. Turquoise bracelets going back. I just don't really need it right now. The other blue necklace with the pendant is gonna go back. That's not really my style. And then the gold bracelet's gonna go back too. But I'm very happy that I found a beautiful layered necklace to keep. So I am happy to add this one to my jewelry collection. This is definitely a Kayla piece, and this will be good for my cardigans and my sweaters. So I'm so happy that I found this to keep. So we got one keeper out of the bag. What do you think? Am I making the right choice? Thanks so much for sticking around, for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope to see you all really soon in my next video.